Alright, we are back with more Factorio. Here we go, I am Pax, and we are continuing here with our playthrough of space exploration. We are out here at the Fenestra anomaly, and we are working on trying to activate the gate. We last time set up a Arcolink storage teleportation chest and some circuit logic, so that way we could transfer items out here, and we have the ghost scanner as well, so that way we can build things. So I built a couple more thermofluid, there we go, thermofluid builds to connect everything. So that's all set up. We have, I believe, 4-dimensional anchors, but what happens right now is when we try to turn the gate on, so we can even go around and maybe turn some of the dimensional anchors on. So there's one in Calidus orbit. We can go ahead and turn some of these on, why not? Osanus orbit. This one looks like it's missing some solar panels still, but maybe it has 60. So I'm gonna maybe send the spaceship out there to add those last solar panels. Hankerus, and I believe the last one is T Magus. Yes. And yeah, we're just kind of still waiting for lots and lots of space scaffolding to get built. Our Sparrowhawk spaceship over here is just refilling here on the space scaffolding. Got a pretty good number of solar panels as well, so it's getting there. It's getting there. We got 4 more to build, I believe. And the rest of the base is, yeah, humming along, trying to build as many solar panels as possible and just cranking them out, though. Cranking them out, working hard. And usually what happens when we try to do anything with the gate at this point is, well, we have our 14 gigs, 13 gigs maybe, but if we activate this, it just says gate tried to draw more power. So looks like it wants a lot more power for every time when you activate this, one of these movable components. So I was kind of thinking of maybe just starting out by building a bigger antimatter reactor here. So just do this for a half second, and basically what I want to do here is create a new build for antimatter, or make this power plant bigger at least, I mean. And so right now we have 10 and we can still have 14, but if we go up to, I even have it in the calculator here, if we go up to 16, we can get 24 gigs, so that might be pretty good. So let's go up to 16, and we would need to make 24 gigs, so that would mean adding 10 more of these little builds with the high temperature turbine generator. And I think if we can be fancy and even, let's try to see if this works actually. Take this and rotate it or something. We want to add 4 more there, something like that, right? That would be kind of okay. So this would add 10 more. That's what we want. That's what we're after. 10 more gigs of power and 1 reactor. So let's try that. And yeah, maybe it's not exactly centered, so maybe we just also move all the reactors. Yeah, so let's move them. We'll get it a little more centered, probably like right here. Looks a little bit better. Yeah, we don't want to not have these. Keep that there, and hopefully over here there's also that. Yes, good. And then maybe, do we put tanks here still? Sure, could be fine. Yeah, that actually looks not too bad. So let's consider this, and let's also add in the other inserters here, and also connect the signal wire. Okay, let's finish off. Can we reach across? And can we reach to here? No. Okay, well, let's put another substation there. Sure. All right, so then what we can do is plug in like this, And then hopefully these last bits of reactors come. So some heat pipes here. And let's see, I think I had a couple over here on the spaceship, right? Oh, that's not connected. That's why. Okay. Let's just go grab those, or just connect Roboport. Just needs to be a Roboport out here, I guess, or something. Let's just do that. That works. Okay, there should be at least 2 reactors over here, so that should help. And so this will get us up to 24, which is good. And then what we can also do is get the other ship out here. So I'll send you to, yeah, cannot reach. Okay, go to Vozanis and fix us our last couple of, hopefully those reactors came. Yeah, okay, we're just waiting on one more to get built, I think. And then I'll get our other ship out here. Sparrowhawk, come back out to Fenestra. Give us a little bit of extra power, see if we can do anything with it. All right, so 24, then maybe 7 more. Let's see how far that goes over here. And then let's see, what can we do? What do we need to do to set this up? Okay, we need to set up the inserter logic again. So okay, here's the one, I guess this can be our inserter controller. Just plug it into the tanks, and kind of want to plug in these other tanks. So let's get all the tanks connected just to make sure we can do this. So we should then have, 50, 100, 200,000 max, and then we can say, something like 180,000. So we even just went a little bit's gone, maybe 175. Let's do that. All right, so when 175 is gone, it's going to read end contents. So it's going to pull out the used up canister. And when the magnetic canister gets pulled out, all the other inserters that will insert will put in the next antimatter stream, just like we do in the nuclear power plants. That's what we've been doing. And then I was hoping actually to complete the substation grid. I think they line up pretty okay. I think I can have all of the substations in their sort of normal spots if I move some pipes. So let's do that. Something like that. Okay. And this one actually is fine. And then I think, is it rotated just twice? Maybe. I don't know. Doubt it. It's pretty close. No? I mean, wait. Here? So this one was wrong? I think this one. Let's just get rid of some of these pipes here. This. Don't connect to thermofluid, please. Oh. Okay, we might have to do something about that one, but okay, no big deal. This is still wrong. Space pipe is fine. Okay, that's fine. And I guess what we'll do is just for this one be special and just go like this, whatever. That's fine. All right, and then I suppose there should be maybe some other fixes. I guess just go there, and is that okay? That one's there. Or should be another one here, but the thing's in the way. That one's over here, right? Just want it to be good, just in case. That looks better. Okay, so we should get close to the 14 gigs. Let's see. We're just missing one reactor still, so let's go check in on our reactor production, see how that's looking. Okay, just waiting on some cubes. Pretty standard, I guess. 50 cubes still. Jeez. Let's maybe add a bit more. What's going on with the cubes here? Cubes should be just cranking them out, I guess, hopefully. Oh, I see. Okay, yes. Well, at one point I thought it would be a good idea to make things buffer chests for some reason. But, yep. That was a silly idea. Let's just make these provider chests. Right, go be provider chests, please. All right, that should get us some cubes and get us then this last antimatter reactor that we need. And then, well, we're going to today also just be thinking about what we need to do to get to the final, stage and open the gate and activate the gate. And of course, one of our biggest bottlenecks is really still the space platform scaffolding, and we can't really make this one go much faster. It's just going to be bottlenecked by the sushi belt and stuff. So I was thinking of building just like a special build for it. And so we can build that over here. So the idea will be to start a little special build for doing space scaffolding right here. I think there's some room, and the ion stream isn't super busy, so we can, oops, what did I do it there? I meant to do it. Let's see, sorry, go it here, of course. All right, and then let's just get a bit of scaffolding out and see how this looks, maybe. Maybe we need more. Maybe some more over here, I guess. Because I think what we want to do is build something kind of almost like we do with science, and we just are going to direct feed a building. So let's just take this. But the question is, oh yeah, I want it to be, though, just a space elevator train. So it's going to have maybe 2 of these. So where would the middle be? Yeah, I think it's going to just be like a direct space elevator train. So more like this even. So let's think about this. But I also want, I just want, well, what do I want here? Here or here? Where is the middle? Guess it's not in the middle. Just do that. That's fine. And let's see. So then what we want to do, let's see, how is this going? Still waiting, yeah. What we don't want to do though is go to novice. Okay, let's go to novice down here. Hey, cars on belt space. How are you doing? Doing pretty good, looking good. And I was thinking, we built this train station here a long time ago and never used it. So let's use it now. And we can just help out by doing this. And then it's still just connected to the global network, so that's really fine. Let's just clean this up a little bit. And let's get, I think we just need some more landfill. Let's grab this little chunk of landfill right here. Let's go ahead and build out a bit more down here. Maybe not that much. Because yeah, I think what we want to do is build essentially a space elevator train and use that to directly feed the space scaffolding. So something like this again. And I guess we're going to have the battery packs and all that stuff come over here too. Oh yeah, wait. Well, I want to build the logistics station, of course. So let's get the logistics station. Here we go. We'll get that built. Go ahead. And then, yes, that landfill was important. So keep going down here with some landfill. So the bots will get going with that, but it'll take some time. No worries. And hopefully then we have our last reactor. Very good. And well, let's turn it on. You have to seed it. And then hopefully this gives us a good 24 gigs. And now we got our spaceship over here. I moved the spaceships to make some room. And looks like it's going strong. Okay, now we got like almost 30 gigs. Great to see. We're missing some heat pipes though. That's interesting. Okay, I don't actually need this. Or they're in the wrong spot, I guess. It should be like this. Okay, that looks fine. And I do worry about like it maybe needing to go up further. I don't know, we could do this or something. Maybe this is sexier. I don't know. Oh, no, because that thing's there. Doesn't matter, probably, hopefully, maybe. These vacuum heat pipes are pretty conductive, I guess. Alright, so then, okay, there we go. That looks pretty good. I think all the water's connected, should be, and all this steam should also still be connected. Yeah, so that's that's a 24 gig reactor there. And oh, I see. These are off. That's unfortunate. I see something went wrong, I guess. Okay. Well, it's not the worst. Let's get that going again. Yep. Okay. Well, we have tons of this fuel that we don't need. But it'll just get recycled. It'll be fine. And okay, I think the rest is looking good. The rest of the looking okay. Steam is filling up. Cool. Okay, should see it go again. Oh wait, need the wires. All right, that should do it. That should hopefully have the mechanism working and get everything heated up. Yep, okay, great. So now let's see, can we do anything now with the gate? All right, so we'll do this. Turn the gate back on. There's our 10 gigs, no worries. We should have 30. All right, working. Okay, working. Chugging along here. Gate is active. All right, so now I have no idea what anything means, but what I want to try is just to see if I can press this button now. Oh, okay, it worked. 20 gigs, eh? 20 gigs, huh? So, okay, well, so putting one of these things into the slot is 20 gigs. And, well, I think there's some secret password, right? So I think there's some secret password. And if I put a second one into a slot, how much? Yep. 30 gigs. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I think we're going to need 90 gigs of reactors. Yup. Looks like it. Well then. So... in that case, yes, what we're going to do is then continue preparing to build what it takes to build a lot more power. And so we need to build a lot more reactors and other things. And so I guess, well, if we just built 3 more of these 24 gig reactors, we should then have enough, I would guess. Why are these ones on? Okay, they're good, they're good. It's all good. Yeah, so 3 more of these, 4 in total. That would give us 24 times 4 is 96. And then, yeah, we'll have the spaceships for a little bit extra or something if we need it. So, wow, okay, we need to build 4 more of these. No problem, sure. Why not, game? So, let's see. That means we need to build a bit more scaffolding out. So maybe we'll go around the space station like so. Probably like so. And build scaffolding to make room for more reactors. And that, hopefully the bots, yeah, I mean, we have the Arca-Link here setting us up to do that. Let's check in really quickly on Ozanis. I think the ship is probably there by now. Yep, okay, good. Restocked, refueled, filled out with the solar panels. Go ahead and go back to Nobis orbit then. All right, go launch. All right, great job. Okay, so then that means, well, besides the space scaffolding that we're trying to expand, we're going to need to build, of course, a lot more reactors, which are probably going to be the bottleneck. And, well, we have cube production. I think we can't really expand on that. I think superconductive cable might be really important. We have to build a lot of these. And they're kind of currently bottlenecked on space pipe. They kind of need a lot of space pipes, huh? So let's see, we need, we need 16 times 3 would be 48 of these. So let's do that, 48. We need, then each one produces 24 gigs. So that's these times 3 would be 24, 48, 72. 72 of these. And then twice as many of these. So that's 144. Whoops. Okay, so go build those, please. All right, so it looks like we need more space pipe. I'm gonna guess we need more superconductive cable. That's probably gonna be a big one. But I think our best hope for superconductive cable is to maybe just add, yeah, let's just put higher tier speed modules, I guess. So let's just get a new one of these and go for the wide area beacon 2s, and let's just give it level 6 modules. Boom, there you go. Just do that, I guess. See how that goes. And then I think the rest is pretty much gonna just be what it is. I try to max this out as much as possible. I mean, even have a glass requester here just to steal some of the recycling and directly feed it, all that. So hopefully solar panels won't be the bottleneck. They still might be. They also need superconductive cable. So definitely want to build more of that. We definitely want to build more space scaffolding. And I guess we want to build more space pipes. So let's go down here and first of all, let's change this before it messes up. So we'll call this, yeah, we'll just put the symbol here, I guess. Space scaffolding. Space scaffolding. And okay, we built one of these guys, so that looks good. Let's then grab a couple of storehouses, I guess. And do we want them like this? Sure. And we need then this more or less. We'll get this guy. Seems okay. That's a good fit. Yes, sure. Okay, great. And what we're going to do, right, is, yeah, build a space elevator train to bring directly the stuff this needs. So that means we need to set up some communications equipment. And so we need a signal transmitter here. Signal transmitter. I suppose that's fine, just go there. And we need some combinators. So then this will just be what the requests are. And I think, yeah, everything will just get unloaded onto the train and then it should be handy dandy. Just give me everything. We probably want something like this. build me a giant amount of it. Let's get a roboboard over here, I suppose, or even a supercharger. Do a supercharger, sure. Supercharger. Okay, and then we want to set up some signals, of course. So let's, we want to measure these boxes. We want to measure this will just be the requests, and we'll create a new channel. This will be, let's just say space scaffolding. Okay, great. And then, so we're going to run, you know, just LDS and steel and heat shielding, right? Yes. Okay, so let's just get all that stuff, a bunch of it. 5,000. Let's start with that. So this will be the requests and heat shielding. Yes, good. Okay, great, great. Looks good. We will want to build a new space elevator train here. I think we have, yep. This will be it. Okay, let's go back down to novice then. And up here. Hopefully the landfill's here. Yes. And we do want to actually, yeah, we want to kind of reconfigure this a bit. I think there's no ghost scanner here, huh? Are the ghost scanners broken? I think they, oh yeah, they probably are broken because, that's right, I changed it to be just single stacks because, right, because of the Arcu link storage. So, well, I'll just set it up, just this one. I think, let's see, if we look at the map, this one is serviced up here actually. And I think that means it's this one. So what we want to do, I'm just going to change it to be just a request threshold of 1, I guess so. So I'm just going to request anything. So now it should request 1 ghost scanner, I guess. So hopefully that works. And though now what we really want to do is, yeah, see, we need to kind of copy this one too, because we want this special one that also asks for the battery packs. So let's copy this, and let's also copy this. We probably want this as well. So let's go ahead and move these over here as well. Okay, go ahead and build this. And then build. So let's see, what do we need to do here to build this? Just replace the inserters, it seems like, right? I think so. Okay, so just delete these and click. It's fine. Okay, we don't need this thing at all. Okay, good. Okay, that should be, I think that works. We'll have to check. And yeah, so we'll want to, let's turn this off just in case we want this to get built first. Yeah, we don't need the space elevator parts, and we probably don't need so many bots. So let's just drop this. And I guess we do want the Logibots to provide the batteries. We probably actually technically don't even need this, honestly, because they'll probably get the, just being in space will give them enough batteries, to be honest, but oh well. All right, so let's get then this. We want this. All right, okay, here we go. All right, we gotta delete some track here. And trees, oh my God. And I think, we're gonna we'll build another one for pipes. So yeah, let's, okay. Do we still have that blob of landfill? Let's just build out a bit more landfill. Can we build another one? Yeah, something like this, I guess. That looks fine. We're got the landfill far enough, I think. Whatever. Okay. Good enough. Should be good. This will all go away, I think. But oh well. We'll fix it later. Alright, so this will set up then for the space scaffolding. will be the idea. Just have a direct train feeding it up, and yeah, we'll need all this to happen. So hopefully these trains kind of work here. It looks like we do have a request, so they're arriving now. But yeah, it's gonna be, this is like might ask for a lot of goofy things, like exact numbers. But it's okay, it's okay. Should be good. I mean, why not? They're just like gonna go off as soon as a single thing is being requested. But we can also isolate this once this ghost scanner's here, but oh well. Just gotta remember all the ghost scanners are probably gonna be broken once, yeah, just because I changed this setting to not round to stacks anymore, so typically the ghost scanner rounds the stack to interact with the LTN better, but that would be annoying for using the ghost scanner with this ArcaLink storage setup, so I decided to just have it be exactly the amount that's requested, or the amount that the ghost laid out ghosts are, and that kind of might break all of my train stations, so, but all I have to do is just change that one setting and it'll work. It'll just be, it might be annoying because it'll ask for a lot more trains, but no big deal. I guess the other thing we have to do is build a lot more antimatter streams, so let's work on that as well. So we'll do this over here. Where's my thing? Here. And right, this is it, right? Yes. So we're just going to do this over here. Same thing. That's for the station piece, I think, right? So we have then the space train rails. Station piece is slightly different. Get the entrance. And, well, we're going to basically just copy over the antimatter stream one. So, yeah, we need the bots to build a lot of this here, so yep, just go like this. Great. Oops, not that far. Okay, that's something. Antimatter. So we need a lot of that, so there you go. We will get some, hopefully. Just gotta wait for the scaffolding to get built. So then let's continue trying to make more scaffolding. And let's see, how is this looking now? Are we ready with this though? What I wanted to do is put in a beacon. So let's get the ghost for a compact beacon level 2. Just put it right here. Sure. I think that's still in the power. And then I guess we'll build another track or another whole thing like this even. Does it fit right there? No. So let's just put it. It's almost 2. It doesn't matter, I guess. Yep, just do this. Maybe do some similar scaffolding here. Just want those tiles. And to go like that. Okay, whatever. That's fine. Okay, that should be good. That'll give us then space scaffolding, and what we'll also do is pipes, I guess. Yeah. Let's see, let's save some of this. Okay, then hopefully down here is almost ready. Maybe. Okay, good. It's gotten built at least. Got the ghost scanner here. We got maybe another power pole right there is needed. All right, so then this should be on the space scaffolding channel. Okay, and we should see the negative numbers, right? Okay, there it is. Oh, I see. This is all, oh no, turn off. Please don't ask for stuff. Okay, good. It's not going to, right? Yeah. All right, yeah, all the requests are actually just coming from the channel, so we don't need any of the checks actually. Oh yeah, so we don't need any of this actually. No, we do need this, yeah. We want this, but I guess we can just add the cyan signal. So go back up here. And I guess we'll just put the cyan signal in, signaling we're connected. Okay, fine. And then we don't need to worry about that. Okay, so the rest should be good actually, right? 1,000. It's really fine, right? I think then 20 seconds. All this seems good. We just need to change. I see. Wait, you shouldn't be here. You should definitely not be here. This needs to change to space scaffolding. Okay, good. Yes, that was the actual space elevator train for the other space stop, the other station. Okay, and I guess we are requesting here. And it will block, I guess, but the train was there, so it unblocked. And let's just set up the same thing for the pipes. So we still have this, and that should be good, I guess. Okay, I'll do this again. Get rid of this. Okay. Pretty good. Do that. Okay, looking good. Got the requester chest, got bots. Do we have any Logibots here? No? Okay, but that's okay. Let's then also see, we don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this anymore. So we'll disconnect. We have the ghost scanner, so you should be handling all the requests just fine. And so they should come here. And let's get our train going now. Okay. Space train. It should be over here. Okay, so you're going to go... You're what we want, so we want these two, provide and request. We want up and down, not the water. So go down, go to provide until, well, now it's like time passed, inactivity, full cargo. So this one goes up here. This goes like this, no, full cargo, or yeah, these two, and that's really fine. Oh, and we need the circuit condition. And it is the spaceship launch signal, I believe. That should work. I think that should work, yes. And then request will just be empty. And I'm going to make another one of those for the pipes. So let's just do this real quick before we send it off. Hopefully I can just copy it. And the bots will do it really quickly, right? Won't you? Yes. Paste here. Will that work? Yes. Okay, go ahead. Then let's finish this off, I guess. Okay, go there, go there. Okay, great. Go here. Go there. And we'll just do almost exactly the same thing. Why not? Except we will rename that one. And it'll be pipes. Why not? We probably don't need quite as much. Something like that is fine. And then, yes, we'll get pipes there. Great. Okay, let's go back to where we were in Novice. Here we are. All right, so hopefully stuff is coming. Looks like at least some stuff and things are coming. Okay, gotta change this to then just a normal, just request one item. Since we changed the ghost scanner, that's why it's nothing's being requested. Some of these bots are coming in anyway from the previous request, so that's good. Okay, our space train is here and is loading, so there we go. Okay, lots of steel, lots of heat shielding. It'll get us started, I guess. Gonna be almost full, not quite. But it should leave soon enough, and the LDS train will start coming, hopefully. LDS. And this is definitely going to eat all of our LDS. So looking pretty good on the production, but I think one thing that's worrisome is if we eat all the LDS. Why do you have sheet shielding? Oh, that's not good. Oh yeah, I remember that there's some issue over here. This thing is like filling up. This is really out of balance. I think I might need to build a balancer, the recycling or something, to make sure that some of the recycling materials keeps getting out of balance. So, well, I'll think about that. But I think the issue I'm worried about is really that if we eat all the LDS from the cars, then I think the rocket parts, the rocket sections won't get any. So what we can do is maybe put a little bit of LDS before the rocket sections. And I guess there's a spot right here. Do we really need those? I guess not. Go away. Build LDS here. Sure, seems good. And there's no beacon. Okay, we'll just do that then. And oops. Do that. That's fine. Should be fine. No worries. Doesn't matter. Okay, that'll get it going. That'll get some LDS over here, and at least, yeah, I don't want to starve the rocket section production from LDS because, yeah, building, I think, all this space scaffolding will demand a lot. So, okay, we got LDS here, we got heat shielding here, and let's see. Let's just get it going fully. So hopefully we see the stuff here. We don't yet. Train. Not here yet. Okay, that's okay. Should be coming. And then this needs beacon, the modules. So let's see. We want to do module inserter and do the tier 2 compact beacon and fill it with module 3s. That's fine. Okay, that'll give us some good speed. And hopefully then train is almost here. Is it here? What happened? Train. All right, come on. Where are you? Here we go. Okay, you're back here. Didn't you fill up? Let's see. What's going on? Oh, go up and then go there. Okay. All right, you just went in a big circle. Got it. Okay, just go up. You're fine. All right, that's why I didn't go up there. Okay, it's okay though. Just clean that up a little bit. All right, this one, I see. This one, wait, where did, oh, I see. I did it. Gosh. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, well, it keeps coming here. Space pipe. Okay, great. Okay, you should go back to the one you actually need to go to. Sorry. All right, space pipe, and then we'll call this, yeah, space pipe, I guess. Why not? All right, okay, go back up. Sort of, kind of. Why not? All right, you're going to be renamed to also space pipe. Oh gosh, please don't come here. Trained. Okay, almost there. Good. But don't do this, please. Okay. What does space pipe need? Change to space pipe. And copper. Okay, wait. Copper, huh? Well, what we could do is I could just maybe put it in the middle or something. If we did this. Hey, okay, there we go, there we go, there we go. Space train. And let's see, can we make copper wire? Let's see, we want to make this. How can we do this? Well, also want the beacon. Let's see. I was thinking we could just do this, I guess. I think this will work. Just get a loader here. Let's see. Where's a loader? Here's one. And that'll just be for copper. So these need to be actually filter inserters, I guess. And the rest should be okay, I think. And is this going to need a beacon is another question. Hopefully not. We'll just try it with some speed modules. All right, so then we need copper, plastic, glass, and steel. So let's ask for all that stuff. Glass. Copper. Plastic. Steel. Okay, and then we're on the space pipe channel. Okay, we need to measure the stuff and things. We actually want to measure the train, right? Okay. Read train contents? I guess it doesn't matter. Yeah, it doesn't matter. All right, and then this will be copper plates. Copper plates. Hopefully it evens out. I don't know. We'll see. All right, that should be something. And we'll just go ahead and also ramp you up. That should be okay, I think. Yeah, we could do fine with these. Why not? Okay, we're just waiting for the LDS. How's the train looking? It's fine. Or this is the other train, but okay. All right, we want you to do... I can't just rename this, unfortunately. All right, so this will be the pipes, provide pipes, request pipes, full, inactivity, time pass, circuit condition. This will be the and, no, like this. Yes. Spaceship launch. Greater than 0. Okay, there you go. Empty. Okay, should be fine. How's our scaffolding up here looking? Yep, pretty good. Let's go ahead and finish this off. Get the station piece and get these things. Should be good, should be good. Okay, you as well. You want that. Get the roboports there and that'll be get built hopefully. All right, we're almost there. So let's go back up then to the provider and see if it's working. And let's see. You're on space pipe. You don't seem like you're connected. So let's connect. All right, there's all the requests, but it should be blocked since the train's not here. And we have actually battery packs here. Do we have logistics spots? It doesn't seem like it. But why not? Why no logistics spots? Because this is off. Let's turn this on. Okay, that will hopefully bring them. And we'll have the charger station here doing some charging for us. Here's our space pipe train. So this should activate the system and let the things through. It looks like it. So it'll be requesting here in a second. And finally, we should see some action going with the space scaffolding over here, I think. Train's back. LDS is coming. There we go. Got a lot more space scaffolding here now. 74. I believe this takes up a lot of LDS though. 7.4. Yes, that's it's not nothing. How much is all of this? 7.4. Okay. So yeah, we'll be using a lot, and there's of course the rest of the base is using a lot, so hopefully it's okay. But we got more over here as well, so that's good. This I think is almost 1, and all of this is less than 1, so that should be pretty good. Should be pretty happy with that. There we go. Let's see, space-wise stuff is finally getting requested, so hopefully all that comes really quickly. And yeah, we're almost there then. We want to do the last thing of just cramming down a bunch of antimatter reactors, but it might take a little bit more time. Yeah. Then I think, yeah, we should be looking pretty good in terms of hopefully just hammering out the antimatter reactors and building the turbine generators and the heat exchangers and the panels, and then hopefully, yeah, things will be happy. We got all the module 6s here, so cranking out the superconductive cable. It's really like, yeah, this stuff is slow, but it's pretty cheap. It's sort of cheap, I guess. Maybe I can up this a little bit. Just crank out the holmium cable, make sure there's enough. Let's just add a bit more to the bus. And yeah, we should be looking pretty okay. All right, cool. Yeah, so the base is cranking out. We are closing in then on finally getting to at least the ability to turn the gate on, and hopefully, yeah, hopefully after we build, 100 gigawatts of power, we can actually try to solve the gate puzzle here. And you're just way low on scaffolding. You got actually lots of solar panels, so that's okay. Right, and then we have to build a couple more dimensional anchors, but those will come. Cool, okay, all right, nice. And do we have scaffolding? Yeah, so like, yeah, it's gonna be hard to build all the scaffolding out here just because the spaceships here are eating it as well. Oh, maybe not, it's almost done actually. And then Venestra is also gonna want a lot of scaffolding. We'll have to fill this out and make some room to build these other power plants. Hopefully this is enough room. After doing all this, should be pretty okay. We'll just copy this this puppy here a couple of times. Build more. Why not? Looks like the mechanism's working as the power plant's off. And it looks like our Arco storage interdimensional logistics is also working pretty well. At least stuff's getting built. For sure. And do we also finally now have the space pipes coming? It's the last question. Do we have space pipes coming? Steel is there. Well, there's steel there, I guess. That's one thing. So, well, okay. Will this work even? Let's see. Let's go back and check the providers, see if any other materials there. All right, there's at least glass and copper and plastic here now, so might take actually 2 more trains to get all that stuff up there, but oh well, it should be fine. Should be fine, I think. Sometimes the nav satellite doesn't go where I want it to go, but it happens. This is looking pretty healthy actually now, so cranking it out full speed. Very nice, very nice. All right, going hard. I think that's plenty of inserters, and yeah, that should help us build the space scaffolding for sure. And of course, I guess, yeah, the antimatter stuff will be prioritized. So let us then try to finish up by doing the antimatter. We of course want to use this double guy here. And yeah, actually it's all pretty much done, so cool. All right, one more thing, there you go, nice. Yes, can I build on empty space? Oh, those pipes, okay, that's fine. That's fine, those pipes are fine. All right, get this finished up here. Gosh, I hope we have enough. God, we need a lot more of these reactors as well. But yeah, that's gonna happen. Let's now bring all the antimatter down. Okay, get us some 15s. Boop boop boop. What's that? Okay, fine. Looks horrible. Let's see. Let's do a 7 here. 3. All right. Well, you know, something, some style points. All right. Okay. There you go. Then we want this again. Bring it on down. Bring it on down. Bring it on down. And then we need to build a thingy thing. The canister maker. The thing that puts the antimatter into canisters. Yes. Okay, that is over here. Something like this. So how much can this do actually? Oh yeah, we want this parts or something. So this will do 1,000 every 4 seconds. Crafting speed of 1, so 250 a second. That's kind of a lot. Okay. So we'll just throw this down here. It needs thermofluid. So I think thermofluid is nearby. That looks fine. I'm willing to sacrifice radar, I think. I don't have to. Just kidding. Alright, go here and thermofluid connect. Beautiful. And what's this? That's not good. Thermofluid connect. Okay. Thermofluid. Antimatter. We need the requester chest though. Okay, so let's do that, I guess. Yep. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. We need a roboport over here, I guess. Sure. And some inserters. There's some inserters. Looks like they're just like barely out of the range of the power. So, okay. We'll do that then. Okay, that should help us build more antimatter stream. I think it'll all come through here. But actually these are each 50, so this is doing 300. And this can only do 250, so maybe we just build a second one. Yeah. Okay, this is in the way. This random pipe, I don't know why it's here. Shouldn't be here. Shouldn't be there. Shouldn't be over here either. Okay, good. Okay, then delete this. Alright, just this one. Put this here. Good. Alright, that should do it. That'll do it. Alright, it's actually pretty much set up. Nice, the trains are even coming. The buildings are all there. Actually, we had all the material fabricators are here already, so that's impressive. I wasn't expecting them to work that quickly. And let's see what's going on. Are things just going to turn on and be good? It might. Looks like it. Thermofluid's going. Do we have space pipes? That's another question. Space pipes. Waiting on plastic. I think, yeah, the train just didn't get us any plastic last time. Scaffolding's going. And... okay, fine. Go up here. Okay, it's on the way, hopefully, with plastic. Maybe not. I hope it has plastic. Train. Where are you? Oh, you're already coming back. So did I just miss it? I suppose. Okay, fine. Alright, let's see then. Well, is the antimatter going? That's the science. Train's in line. Alright. Probably going to need to ramp up on the thermofluid a lot. Is going to be maybe take a little bit of time for that to happen anyway. So you know, it happens. Things happen. Let's see. Let's up this to 500. And think all this is fine. Asking for 4 stacks. That's okay. Some of the plasma's going at least. Waiting on, yeah, the testing packs you built. Sand. You guys have sand, so that's good. Okay. Plasma's going. The particle stream is going. Oh, even some antimatter. There you go. Okay. Cool. All right, then we have now built a lot more infrastructure to be ready for trying to activate the gate. So we have to build a lot more of these antimatter reactors to provide enough power. And then of course we still need to build the dimensional anchors. So that's just going to need a lot more scaffolding, as well as the, the dimensional anchors again, and the Naquium. Yeah, that's what I meant. The Naquium solar panels. So those are coming. Those are coming strong. And yeah, we then built these specialized systems for directly feeding these high production materials, space scaffold, space pipes. I guess space pipes are just slow. And I'm hoping the train will come. Let's see. Do we have a... There you go. Where's the train now? Trying to go up the space elevator. Okay. Go back, go forward, I guess. All right, let's see. Let's just see this train arrive, and then hopefully see some space pipes get built. Here we go. I'll follow it. Oh my gosh, there's so much traffic, probably because the antimatter builds are all asking for all the fluids and stuff, so that happens sometimes, definitely. All right, good. We have some plastic, a bunch of plastic on the train. That should kick off our pipe production. Got the scaffolding production. We ramped up the superconductive tables. We ramped up the antimatter. Should allow us to build a lot more reactors and finish up the interdimensional anchors. Yeah, there we go. Cool. Space pipes. There we go. All right. Chugging them out. Chugging. All right, cool. All right, then, yes. Let's check on the antimatter like a little bit more. See if it's going a little bit more. It's going to just take time for this thermofluid to ramp up. But yeah, we see some life. We see a little bit of life in the antimatter. So that's good. That's good. Cool. All right, but then, yeah, I think I will call the session here. Closing in on trying to activate the gate, win the game, the secret ending. We'll see how it goes. But we'll call the session here. There you go. Factorio. I am Pax. See you in the next video.